Hello there, everybody. Sorry it's been a while since I made DQ Blizzard reviews, but I'm back for another Blizzard review. So this time, guess what? It's the S'mores Blizzard. See? It's made out of crunchy crackers, some chocolate, and some marshmallows, and creamy DQ saucer. Now I'm just going to have to do is to try it to see if it's delicious. Here's the Blizzard right here. I think it's really neat. So anyways, let's give this a try. Mmm. Yummy. Okay, yeah. It tastes like crunchy crackers with some marshmallows and some chocolate. Mmm. That was good. So let's give another try. See, here we go. Mmm. Delicious. Very yummy. So anyways, I highly recommend it. Try the S'mores Blizzard treat. It's really yummy, made out of crackers, marshmallows, and some chocolate, and creamy DQ saucer. So anyways, what do you think about this Blizzard flavor of s'mores? Let me know what do you think in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, give a big thumbs up if you like this video, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. That will help me out a lot when new videos come up. So anyways, thank you for watching, and bye for now.